Jessica,
Yeah.
let's see if these water guns sink or float.
Okay. They float.
They float.
They float. They float. They float.
Okay, let's see if my rocket sinks or floats.
I think sink. Dad, why think float and sink?
Well, Jessica, I'll explain. So, an object's ability to sink or float is called buoyancy. An object will sink if they are more dense than water, and an object will float if they are less dense than water. So the water pistols are less dense than water, and my rocket is more dense than water.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey Jessica,
Yeah?
let's try the ducks.
Okay. Ooh, I think they're gonna float. One,
They float.
yeah. Which one do you want to do next?
Let's do the rocks.
Oh. Alright. Yeah.
Sink or float?
I think
I think sink.
right. Yeah. One, two. And
Yeah.
now what the next thing, Dad?
Banana and potato.
Okay.
I think the banana is gonna float.
Yeah. And I think the potato is not gonna float. Let's see.
Let's see.
Banana float. I think there's one of them. Go.
Potato sinks.
Yeah.
Let's try my train and the bus.
Okay. But you forgot something. Another one.
Oh, was it a rock? The train?
What? Can we do all of them?
Yeah, let's put all of them.
Okay. The first one. The bar. You want it in the sink.
It sinks.
And this one is in the float. He's floating! He's floating! Now this one goes to the body.
It floats.
He floats. Until like, kind of water, traffic! They need to go on the move.
Okay, let's do the blocks.
Okay. Now let's do the block. Then we do the dirty can. One. Oh, I forgot something. I think he is on the float.
That's right.
One,
They float.
two, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. Wait, let's do the Joker can and the ball. Cook. But I think with cook is float. What you
Float. I'm gonna go with float.
I think it's right.
Okay, and now do the balls.
Okay, you're running. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now you are full. It's so cool. Oh my goodness.
That's so cool.
Yeah, look, underneath, it happens. Look now. Wow.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Bye.